Give it a try, understanding this encouraging English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and encouraging English phrase, give it a try. This phrase is not just about attempting something, but it's also about the spirit of trying and the learning that comes with it. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means to give it a try. Give it a try is a phrase used to encourage someone to attempt something new or challenging. It implies that the person should not worry too much about the outcome but should focus on the effort and experience. This phrase is often used in situations where someone might be hesitant or unsure about doing something. By saying, give it a try, you're encouraging them to overcome their hesitation and take a chance. Let's look at some examples where this phrase might be used. 1. Learning a new skill. I've never danced before. Why not give it a try? You might enjoy it. 2. Trying new food. I've never had sushi before. Give it a try, it's delicious. 3. Taking on a challenge. I'm not sure if I can complete this project. Just give it a try, and do your best. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to offer support and encouragement. There are several variations of the phrase, give it a try, that you might hear. Give it a shot. This has a similar meaning and is equally informal. Have a go, often used in British English, it means the same thing. Try your hand at it. This implies trying something, usually a skill or activity, to see how good you are at it. In many English-speaking cultures, there's a significant emphasis on the value of trying and effort. Give it a try isn't just about success, it's about the willingness to step out of your comfort zone and learn from the experience, whether you succeed or not. This attitude is often seen as a positive and important part of personal growth and learning. And that's it for today. Remember, give it a try is more than just a phrase. It's an encouragement to embrace new experiences and challenges. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to give new things a try in your journey of learning English. See you in the next video.